Welcome to AAPEX 2025. I'm at the Launch Tech USA booth. Here they're featuring a lot of new products that you've got to check out. Let's get a chance to find out what they're showcasing here this year and meet some of the team.
My name is Chris Arteaga, and I'm the ADAS support specialist and trainer. We're debuting our X939 ADAS calibration frame and wheel aligner. Check out our website at Launch Tech USA and reach out to our field reps for any information.
Hey guys, this is Sam from the AAPEX booth. Here we got the Torque Link, one of our tools that we have out there that we're showcasing here. It is a 10-inch tablet. It does have bidirectional functionality, and we do have support through Aztec for remote flashing. Guys, check out our website and also look on our website for our field support. Again, this is Sam from the AAPEX booth.
Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the launch booth. My name is Eri Muca, TPMS director. Here today we're going to showcase our TPMS products as our latest innovation. So we're loaded with technology and solutions. From our scan tools, now we have the ability to diagnose TPMS with our scan tools, standalone solution, and of course our world's best TPMS sensors, 99% coverage. For more information, please check out our website, LaunchTechUSA.com. Also, if you'd like someone to visit you and work with you, get a hold of our people. We have tech support and field people across the country to come there, work with you, and support you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Welcome to Launch Tech USA AAPEX 2025. My name is Harlan Siegel, Vice President for Sales. I'd like to introduce you to our lineup of battery testers that we're featuring here at AAPEX. Starting off with our Bluetooth battery tester that can work with your smartphone or actually your Launch Tech tablet. At the same time, up to our premium line that's actually would work off of the battery itself and has an integral printer. All of these units have the capability of diagnosing batteries by varying the cold cranking amps from low to the highest level that's available in the marketplace, and also predict state of health and available state of charge. At Launch Tech USA, you can learn more about these products by visiting our website at LaunchTechUSA.com.
Thanks for the Launch Tech team showing us some of their newest products and innovations here at AAPEX 2025. But we also do have some other innovations that they're showcasing here this year, including their new line of EV tools for your shop's needs. Make sure you check out Launch Tech USA for all of the products and to schedule a field rep to come out and give you a demonstration on their complete line of tools and diagnostic solutions for your shop's needs. We'll see you next year in 2026. Thanks for watching.